Harnoor this side. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some new connectors along with their usage in sentences which are used in writing task 1 and in writing task 2. You can also use these connectors in your speaking module. So before beginning the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So today we are going to learn three types of connectors. The very first type of which is while giving an opinion. While citing an opinion, what type of connectors can be used? So the most common type of connector used here is in my opinion. Let us take an example. If the essay is on government policies, that government should implement more policies, should work upon more policies to reduce the crime rate. So we will say, if we agree with this, we will say, in my opinion, the governmental bodies should implement more policies in order to reduce crime rate. Another connector used is according to my perspective, or as per my perspective, or as per my opinion. All these are same, their usage is also same. We'll write according to my perspective. That means what I perceive is, according to my perspective means what I perceive is that the government should implement more policies in order to reduce crime rate. Make sure you put a comma at the end of these connectors. So the next connector is I admit, I believe, or I reckon. These three connectors do not require a comma at the end, but they need a that. Means I reckon that, I believe that, I admit that, means I agree with the statement. This is my viewpoint, that I agree with the statement that government should implement more policies in order to reduce crime rate. So the connector I missed here was in my viewpoint. Viewpoint means what I believe, what I perceive. That all means the same. So in my viewpoint, the government should implement more policies in order to reduce crime rate. So the second type of connectors we are going to learn is about citing an example, about stating an example. So the most common type of connector people use here is for example. For example, comma, then they state their example. Another used in a similar way is for instance. For instance, comma, then state your example. Third is to cite an example. How we spell cite is C-I-T-E. To cite an example, comma, then state your example. The fourth one is one clear example. This can be used in two ways. One clear example, comma, then state your example. Or if you want to omit the comma, you can say one clear example is that, then state your example. You have to use the word that. Is that, I suppose. One clear example is that, then state your example. So when you are naming something, such as in task 1 you are giving the data about some countries. So the data about 3 countries, I suppose, let's take an example of 3 countries. The data about 3 countries, comma, if you want to name that countries, if you want to lengthen your sentence, you can say the data about 3 countries, comma, namely, then comma, then name the 3 countries such as UK, India and USA. So these are the 3 countries. Namely involves comma at both ends. Okay. So the next one is in other words. You can use it while giving an example also, or while clarifying your idea. Such as you presented an idea, then you say in other words, then you explain that idea. You clarify it. You prove it that it is right. It is my viewpoint. So the last one is to illustrate. Means to make you believe that, to explain you more about this idea. In other words, and to illustrate means the same. So the third type of connectors we are going to learn is about adding more information. When you gave one idea and you want to proceed towards giving another idea, what type of connectors can you use between them to establish a linking, to establish a connection between the two ideas? So the most common type of connectors people use here is and as well as. Yes, and as well as, these two are also connectors. Mind you, all the conjunctions are connectors because they establish a connection. They provide a linking between two ideas or two sentences. So they are connectors. So if you want to upgrade your IELTS writing, if you want to increase your band score, you should use connectors such as in addition to, additionally, furthermore, not only but also use more complex sentences. So how to use these? Use furthermore like this. State one idea, full stop, furthermore, comma, then state another idea. To establish a connection between the two, we are using furthermore. Additionally is also used in the same way. In addition to is also used in the same way. Moreover is also used in the same way, such as give one idea, write moreover, comma, then state another idea, establish a connection. But the usage of not only and but also is a different one. Let's take an example. She likes apples and oranges. She not only likes apples but also oranges. Right? She not only likes apples but also oranges. For example, there is a problem and you have two solutions about that. You can write not only solution number 1, comma, but also solution number 2, or as the situation suits, but solution number 2 also, as it suits. So these were the 3 types of connectors. Then next video is going to be about 3 more types of connectors. So do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment on it. If you have any doubt, do share it to your friends who need this. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.